Do you know what outsourcing means? Today, let's discuss what it is and why it's important. Outsourcing is when a company hires another company to perform a task or service. It can be a cost-effective way to get things done. There are two types of outsourcing, onshore and offshore. Onshore is when a company hires another company in the same country, and offshore is when a company hires another company in a foreign country. A great example of outsourcing is Apple. Apple outsources the manufacturing of its products to companies like Foxconn in China. According to a Harvard Business Review article, outsourcing trends are shifting towards nearshoring and reshoring. This means companies are bringing their outsourced work closer to home. Outsourcing can be a smart business decision. It can save companies time and money while allowing them to focus on their core competencies. Thanks for watching.